Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a fat cutter tea. Although we said it's a fat cutter tea, but I believe it's more of a water retention remedy. I love this tea because it helps me release all the water that my body is retaining due to my hormonal issues and also sometimes lack of water drinking when we are dehydrated. Plus, all these herbs that I'm going to share with you have lots of health benefits, which I will also share in this video. You will see how these herbs can do so much good to our body, not only for weight loss, but for our overall health as well. Remember, any weight loss diet or drink won't help if you don't follow healthy and nutrition diet plan and include physical activity. For this tea, you need cinnamon stick or powder, finely chopped ginger 1 tablespoon, 2 cloves and 2 green cardamom and 1 black cardamom. Plus I've got 1 tablespoon of Tulsi tea, which is also called holy basil tea. If you don't have holy basil tea, you can use green tea as well. Add 3 cups of water in a milk pan and let it boil. Then add all the ingredients into the water except from the Tulsi tea or green tea you're going to use. I have roughly crushed all the ingredients so that they infuse really well in the water while boiling. Ginger works as a natural appetite suppressant, which will help you avoid your unnecessary craving for junk food. It's an excellent herb that, if consumed as a tea, will help with your water retention and will balance hormonal issues, which will help you meeting your weight loss goals. On the other hand, cinnamon is known for its antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral properties. It also has prebiotic properties that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria and help suppress the growth of pathogenic bacteria, which means it will improve your gut health, resulting in better digestion and weight loss. Cardamom improves metabolism, which will help you lower your high blood sugar and also high cholesterol. Cardamom is known to help fight bacteria in mouth, which is a common cause of bad breath and cavities and gum disease. After 10 minutes of boiling, transfer it to a teapot and then add Tulsi tea or green tea and let it infuse for another 10 minutes. Holy basil has powerful purifying properties. When eaten raw, it purifies blood, which will give a skin glowing effect, and it prevents appearance of acne and blemishes. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties are very effective in preventing breakouts on acne-prone skin. Tulsi helps to relieve headaches due to allergies. You can buy organic Tulsi or holy basil tea from any whole food shops. If you can't find Tulsi tea, you can use green tea, which is an excellent healthy beverage. Green tea will be more hydrating, it will improve your brain function, it will keep you alert, and it increase fat burning. After infusing it for 10 minutes, strain it into a cup and you can have this tea for up to 3 times a day after your meals. It will help you digest your food quickly. If you want, you can make this tea for 2 days and store it in a fridge. But don't forget to warm it before drinking, as it's more beneficial if you drink it warm. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you did like it, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family so that they can enjoy the benefits of this amazing tea as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.